My name is Jill Evans and I'm a Plaid Cymru member of the European Parliament for Wales. Travelling between my home in the Rhondda, my office in Brussels and all around Wales, I spend a lot of time in hotels. And after a while you get to know the staff and a little about their lives. This is Nerys. She's owned the hotel for over 25 years. 3 of her siblings run hotels, including a sister who runs a motel somewhere in America. This is Emyr. He's worked here for almost as long as Nerys has. He used to work here when he was still at school. Mohammed works as a waiter at the hotel. He's married to a local woman called Anne after they met in his native Morocco 2 years ago. Just like this hotel, it's our job to serve the people who place their trust in us so that we can prove that Plaid Cymru is on your side in Wales and in Europe. I've seen my job as Wales's member of the European Parliament over the past 10 years as putting Wales firmly on the map, politically, economically and socially. The needs of people are always more important than the needs of the market, which is why Plaid has always supported a Europe which is not just an economic union, but which protects people and jobs in Wales. Europe can help Wales weather the storm of the economic crisis through investment in green job creation and renewable energy and laws to protect our public services. By working together, we can send a clear message to Gordon Brown and the other London parties that we want a strong voice in Europe. In Plaid Cymru, we are not in the business of making Wales fit in with British priorities or the Europe of the so-called nation states. We want to shape our own future and influence the way that Britain and Europe develop. Wales is a European nation in the making. And we are making it. All of us together.